Okay, so, student, today we will discuss question number 6. In question number 6, there is a narrow rectangular plot. Okay, there is a narrow rectangular plot, and the plot is reserved for a school. That means the plot is reserved for the school. That means one school has been made over there, and in which place? In Mahuli village. Okay, in Mahuli village, a rectangular plot is given like this. Okay, a rectangular plot is given. Length and breadth, that means length and breadth are given in the ratio 11:4. So length and breadth are given in the ratio 11:4. Okay, and at the rate of 100 per meter, it will cost the village panchayat rupees 75,000 to fence the plot. So the whole, to cover the boundary, that means to fence the boundary, village panchayat have to spend how much amount of money? Rupees 75,000 to cover the whole boundary, to fence the whole rectangular boundary. Village panchayat have to spend rupees 75,000, and per meter cost is how much? Per meter to fence, per meter cost to fence the per meter cost is rupees 100 meter. Okay, what we have to find? We have to find the dimension of the plot. That means we have to find the length and breadth of the plot. So as ratio is given, so we can assume that let the length ratio of the rectangular plots length and breadth is 11:4. Therefore we can write length is 11x and breadth is 4x. Okay, breadth is 4x. Now we know the perimeter of rectangle is how much? Perimeter of rectangle is how much? 2 into length plus breadth. That means it is, we can write 2 into 11x plus 4x. That means 2 into 15x. That means 30x. It is the perimeter of the rectangle. Is the perimeter. Here is perimeter of the rectangle. We find the perimeter of the rectangle is 11x. Okay, now to fence the plot, panchayat, to fence the plot, 1 meter cost rupees how much? 1 meter cost rupees how much? 1 meter cost rupees how much? Rupees 100. Similarly, therefore 30x meter cost will be how much? 30x meter cost will be how much? Rupees 100 into 30x. Therefore we can write rupees 3000x. So what is the total cost? What is the total cost? What is the total cost to fence the boundary, to fence the boundary of the rectangular plot? What is our total cost? Our total cost is how much? 3000x. For 1 meter cost is how much? 100. For 30x meter cost is how much? Rupees 3000x. And what is given in the question? It is given in the question that total cost is 75,000. Panchayat spends how much? Rupees 75,000. It is given. So we can write according to the question. According to the question, we can write 3000x equals to how much? 75,000, or x is how much? By 3000. This 0 and 0 cancel out, this 0 and 0 cancel out, this 0 and 0 cancel out. Okay, 75 divided by 3, this is how much? 75 divided by 3, 3 to just 6, 1, 5 come. So it is how much? It is x is 25. X is 25. So what are the dimensions of the plot? The dimensions are length and breadth. So length is how much? 11x. That means 11 into 25. 25 into 11. How much? 275 meter. And breadth is how much? 4 into 25. That means how much? 100 meter. Okay, these are the dimensions of the plot, rectangular plot, and we find it. Okay, this is question number 6. In the next video we will solve question number 7.